Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my apartment bedroom right now at my university. I've been in this apartment for a year now. I was in it last year. This will be my second year in my apartment. I've added more decorations and stuff and just made it feel more homey and like comfortable. I've been getting a lot of messages and comments about when I'm going to do my room tour and my apartment tour. So today is the day. If you're interested, keep watching. Please subscribe and like this video. So this is just an overview of what my apartment looks like from the door. And that's the kitchen area. And yes, we do have a carpet in the kitchen. We get a lot of questions about the carpet being in the kitchen, but I really like the carpet there. So that's just the overview real quick of the apartment. So our apartment comes with a washer and a dryer, so we wash our clothes there. And the bags right there is just where we keep our dishcloths from the kitchen that we need to wash, and the broom is there. So we keep all of that in the laundry room. I really like the kitchen. It's pretty spacious, I would say. And here are all like the kitchen stuff we use. There's my air fryer. And then we have all of our masks here. We just keep them in the kitchen so we don't forget to grab one when we leave for the day. And then my sister's protein powder is there. And then there's our blender, toaster. And then we have the fridge, which we have lots of food in the fridge right now. And then we have like a grocery list up here, so whenever we go to the grocery store we don't forget what to get, so we just write anything we need up there. This thing here, this is where we keep all of our paper items like paper cups and plates, plastic spoons and forks, and we keep like all of our snacks and everything in here as well. On the bottom drawer it's just like chips and everything, paper towels, toilet paper, and tissues. So that's pretty good storage. And this drawer up here is where we keep all of our like glass stuff and just the fancy stuff that we eat on if we're not using paper plates. So that's in that cabinet there. And then this is just like food storage for like leftovers. We'll put it in containers and everything. And here's just like our spices, salt and pepper, like olive oil, and like our cutting boards are up there, and like just pasta and everything is in that cabinet. We keep like extra water, so we bought a lot of water this year and just kind of put it down there. And there's also more water down here, so yes, we drink a lot of water. And then this is where we keep all the forks and everything. The rest are being washed right now. But I like this organizer because it organizes all the like the spoons and the forks and the knives, and everything will be there. And I like our little area here. Our theme is yellow, so we have yellow placemats, and then there's our bar stools. And then our little sign up here that says good vibes only. The couch, of course, I said our theme is yellow, so we have 2 yellow pillows and that one in the middle. We have a yellow throw as well. We have like a little thing in the middle here, just like for decoration. And I also keep our remote there as well so we don't lose it. And then we have like these 3 succulent plants here. And I thought it was a really cute addition to our apartment. It just makes it more homey and just more like cute. So we added those to the windowsills. And then we just wanted more seating in our living room. So we added this beanbag here. It's pretty comfortable. I like the rug because it has like brown and yellow and white, which matches our overall decor in our apartment, so I like the rug. We have some more decorative items down here. As you can see, we have a globe there, and we have like more cute stuff on the bottom, a family picture there. And then we just added like a cute little mirror here. I thought it kind of went, it just goes really good with the decor overall in our apartment, so we added that. And then we have pictures here of our friends. So I wanted to add some pictures just to make our apartments cuter, because pictures are always good to add. Back out again so I can see the entire living room. And also these lamps here too turn on. So here's the entire living room space. So now I'm going to show you my sister's room. I'm not going to do an in-depth tour of her room because I don't know if she wants me to do that. But I'll just show y'all a glimpse of her room. So here is my room. It's purple and gray. Those are my colors. And I love the rug. It's so big and just makes the room look better, in my opinion. So I have some lights up there. And that thing right there actually made myself. I bought some materials from Hobby Lobby, bought some letters, and then I bought like some flowers and just kind of added that. That's how I made that thing there. And then over here I have this thing that says thankful, grateful, blessed, where you just write things you're thankful about and then you drop them in there at the top. And then down there is just my book bags, my trash can, and then my computer charger is there. And then as you can see, my ring light right there is in my window, which is pretty good lighting. I was surprised, so that's where I take my videos at. And I have 2 lamps on both sides of my bed. There, and there's just like more, or here's a better view of my bed from the front. So here's like a little poof thing. I'll just sit on that sometimes, but I honestly just have it there for decoration. So that's just for decoration, and it makes the room pop more because I have white in my comforter, so that makes it pop more. Here's my little desk area where I do my homework and stuff. I think it's cute because I have like this little purple pillow that I put in the chair, and I have cute stuff in here, like I have pencils in that one, highlighters in there, highlighters in there as well, pens, and I think I have like sticky notes in this one if I can get it open. So that one is just like sticky notes and just random papers I put in there. My tape is there, calculator if I need one. There's my computer case, and I have a light here. So whenever I'm working at night and it's kind of dark, I'll just turn the light on and it moves so you can adjust it where you need it. I haven't wrote my schedule out yet, but I'll usually do like the week of, like it says, and write out my schedule for the week. That's how I do that one. My closet. But yeah, I just have like my long sleeve, most of my sweaters in here, and coats, and all of my shoes down there. My laundry basket or my hamper is right there. So that's just how my closet looks. So here is my bathroom, and I just have some lights I put up there just to make it look more nicer in here. So there's just an overview of my bathroom real quick with the lights off. So then I'm just going to go ahead and turn the lights on. And as you can see, there's a sink. Those white napkins there are just like my guest napkins. Or I have guests over here, they'll use those napkins instead of the hand towel. And then over here, I just have some tissues and some purple napkins. And I have a flower there that I just got, I think, from Hobby Lobby, I would say. And then I have a sign here that says relax. Thought that was cute to put in here. And it kind of correlates with my other thing up here that says refresh and renew. And I also made that one myself as well. So just got everything from the store and just created that myself. So yeah, I've created a lot of stuff in my apartment. And then in this one down here, I just keep like washcloths. I have a razor in there, more washcloths. And then down here where I keep all my hair products. So whenever I'm about to wash my hair or style my hair, that's where all my products will be. So that's there. And then there's my shower curtain. I really like the way it looks. It's so cute. And then my rugs are just purple or lavender color. And then those are decorative towels. So I don't actually use those there, but just for decoration. Then there's my little clock I added up here just to make it more creative and decorative in here. So I'm going to back out so y'all can see my bathroom again. So that's it for my room tour and my apartment tour. My apartment's not really big, but I'm like overall happy with the size. I don't need, and me and my sister don't need that much room. So yeah, overall, I think my apartment's pretty nice. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on my next video.